हाय गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज है दिन मेरी लेसिक सर्जरी का, लेसिक ऑपरेशन का, which means getting rid of these glasses that I'm currently wearing. So today morning I've done everything जो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी अगले कुछ दिनों के लिए, जैसे कि I won't be able to face a lot of harsh और heavy lighting. तो मैंने आज सुबह ही अपने सारे पौधों को पानी दे दिया because I won't be able to step out at least today in the sun because that will hurt my eyes a little bit. And also my doctor asked me to wash my hair, which I did. I've just pinned it up a little bit right now. But I washed my hair because I won't be able to do that for at least the next 2 weeks. I've been told to avoid the risk of infection, and I won't be able to wear makeup also for the next, I think, 2 weeks. So I think I may be wrong about the hair washing duration, but I'll let you know post surgery also. But right now I have to leave for my 10 a.m. appointment at the hospital. So yes, let's go. अभी से ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे the sunlight is too harsh. I'm carrying my eye appointment की file. I have double mask for going to a hospital, and I'll also need an attendant for the day because on the way back I won't be able to drive. So I also have somebody accompanying me for the surgery. So Ishan, are you looking forward to the surgery? Although I am undergoing it.
I find all of these whatever very nerve-wracking. डर लगता है for other people also.
Although even I'm nervous, but I'm more excited now than nervous.
I'm only nervous.
Thanks for coming with me though.
No problem. I thought I'll be more nervous there, so it'll be fun.
मतलब ठीक है, I'll probably be excited to cover up for the nervousness.
हाँ, आप compensate कर लो, सही है.
और ये पता नहीं गुड़गांव का कौन सा एरिया है जहाँ पे डॉक्टर ने बुलाया है. It looks so crowded. क्या तुझे पता है कि वापस आते हुए मेरी आंखों में पट्टी होगी?
What?
Yeah.
मतलब?
I'll have पट्टी on my eyes, जैसे bandage.
अच्छा.
तुझे कौन गाइड करेगा?
Oh no, it'll be a little difficult, no?
Yes.
You're getting your eyes operated on, but it'll be difficult for me to come back.
अच्छा, that was sarcasm. I just got
I
it.
mean sarcasm on me only ना, मतलब.
हाँ.
ये क्या है, first world problems type सीन हो गया कि.
हाँ, कि मेरी ऑपरेशन है और so difficult for Ishan.
Yeah, then I have to fucking look at a map
Yeah.
while I try. Inconvenience.
Truly. Okay, I am a little nervous now.
Don't worry.
HVP, sorry. Actually, let's pause हो रहा है.
आप मास्क नीचे करके
URED.
क्लियर है?
थोड़ा मतलब थोड़ा हल्का सा हेजी है. किसी एक एंगल पे सही आ रहा है. ZVBOHR. Everybody, this is Dr. Aditi.
Hi.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, I am Dr. Aditi Manudhane. I am a LASIK and cataract and cornea surgeon at Clio Eye Care, Gurgaon. And this is Tanya. And it's her pre-op workup going on for her flex removal surgery. So we are planning her for Contour Vision Grade 3 LASIK. So let's begin.
Yes. Thank you.
You must have seen some of my videos also.
So, you sent no all the videos. Clear तो है, हाँ थोड़ा सा hazy है, लेकिन I have to lift my eyes a little bit. हाँ, ये ज़्यादा clear है. और जैसे थोड़ा सा मेरे सिर पे strain पड़ रहा है.
Option 1 and option 2.
Option 1.
Can you read the last line now?
LFEZV.
Okay, and with this as well.
LFEZV. अब दोनों से लिख रहे हैं. Some coffee on the morning of an operation. It matches with my shirt.
चिन रखिए. ये उस दिन भी किया था ना मैंने, बस सेम प्रोसीजर. आप मास्क नीचे कर लीजिए जरा और बिल्कुल इजी रिलैक्स होकर बैठना है. आईज ओपन करेंगे प्लीज. सेंटर में येलो डॉट दिख रहा होगा तानिया आपको. देखो उस येलो डॉट को और बड़ी बड़ी आईज ओपन करेंगे प्लीज. यस.
See, when you are in the OT, we are putting numbing drops into your eye. So the Parakin drops will numb your eye. You just have to lie down and your job is just to look at the green light. You will just know that something is going on your eye, but there is no pain at all. It's a 15 to 20 minute procedure and you just have to lie down and look at the light and follow the instructions. That's it.
But बाद में pain होगा थोड़ा.
No, after the LASIK also, you just feel some bit of grittiness or irritation, that too for a few hours. So after the surgery, we'll be giving you some lubricant eye drops and antibiotic steroid drops and all. You go back home, have lunch, put the drops, and go to sleep. So within 2-3 hours, even that irritation, once the numbing effect goes, the sensation is there, but it is transient. By evening, it pretty much settles down. So by evening or night, the patient is pretty much back to normal.
So ये है मेरा pre-op changing room. Port, cup, table, 2 chair. I have to wear a hairnet, I have to wear a gown, and obviously I can't carry my purse inside the OT.
But Abhi, how will you pay bills inside?
How will I pay bills? How will I take care of my purse?
That's why you have attended, our
Now my purse is your responsibility.
a man's favorite job, taking care of a woman's purse.
Yay! Yeah, you wear it like that. It looks really fashionable. अच्छा लग रहा है. अरे good, yeah, it's going with your
Of
outfit
course, yeah,
also.
I'm changing the game of masculinity.
I got a new outfit today. This is going to be my OOTD for the OT. पहन के आती हूँ फिर दिखाती हूँ.
मैम वॉशरूम में गई है OTD पहनने.
I don't think I can take my phone inside OT, no?
Oh no, तो स्टोरीज कैसे डालेगी?
वैसे भी मैं इतनी stories नहीं डालती. Unless I'm traveling.
Technically, you have traveled to a very further.
हाँ, यहाँ पे आने के लिए इस hospital में 30 minutes लग गए.
Oh no.
That is far. To be in Gurgaon only, it's far. Now I'll show you how to fold clothes.
A hospital kapda folding sesh.
Now it feels a little serious क्योंकि अभी एक nurse आई थी यहाँ पे and उन्होंने मुझे shower cap पहनाई and shower cap नहीं मतलब basically hair net पहनाया and she put cotton in my ears ताकि कुछ अगर पानी वानी हो तो गिरे नहीं कान के अंदर न जाए and also she cleaned my eyes with betadine and one solution just to make sure that there's nothing dirty on my eyes and I don't catch any infection. So this was the procedure that happened so far and now I think I'll just be called inside the OT. I think it'll be a 15-20 minute procedure. I was very excited this morning but now I'm nervous. I'm not even wearing my chashma anymore. I hope I don't accidentally hit something while walking. Although मेरी power इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. -4 and -3.75. Bye.
All the best. थोड़ा nervousness हो रहा है, but I'm sure everything will just fine. See you on the other side.
यहीं देखते रहिए सेंटर देखते रहिए ग्रीन लाइट को दमिया
Thank you. Cottons were actually helpful
अच्छा.
because they poured some saline water over my eyes while doing the surgery. So yeah,
Oh, no.
cotton. During the surgery, I was so nervous that my mouth became dry. It was scary. Okay, I was going in with a very happy, positive attitude, but then the whole point was that I was conscious the whole time. But I was so conscious the whole time that I could see everything. I could feel everything. Feel मतलब not in the eyes, but I could feel the surroundings. And I was so nervous because because I was conscious. अगर मैं unconscious होती तो शायद इतना मुझे डर नहीं लगता. But they put something on my eye, some apparatus to keep it open. So when they were putting it, I could feel it that it's being put. And then they did the suction process. जिसमें was briefly while cutting the flap, there was temporary loss of vision at that point of time. And then when they were doing the laser, so they were asking me to keep it open, but I really wanted to like move my eyes and flutter, but they were like, keep looking straight. So I just got changed into my normal clothes from the OT clothes, and आप शायद अभी देख नहीं पा रहे होंगे, but मैंने अपनी आंखें बंद रखी हैं, while recording this video because keeping them open is quite uncomfortable. You can give me my bag. Thank you. Yes, I found the record button. So because अभी मेरी eyes थोड़ी weak हैं और also irritation हो रही है, इसलिए मैंने अभी इन्हें बंद ही रखा है. I really feel like I just want to keep them closed only. मुझे मतलब खोलने में बहुत strain महसूस हो रहा है अभी फिलहाल.
This is a meme photo. बहुत बढ़िया enjoyment, relax चल रहा है एकदम.
इसके बाद जो मैं दबा के सो गई ना,
अब गाड़ी में भी सो ही रहे थे.
नींद नहीं आ रही थी यार, मैंने आंखें बंद की हुई थी.
Enjoying your meal.
very much. Fried chicken is the most comfortable. बचपन का खाना that I remember. Not that I ate it too often even in बचपन. Very sleep inducing this is. Hi guys, so it's been about 3 days since the surgery and मैं इस segment में 3 चीज़ों के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी. The first is the experience of the surgery itself. Now before I even went into the surgery, a lot of people told me that it's really easy, it's very pain free. While I do agree with all of those things, the one thing that I was technically not mentally prepared for was that I was going to stay conscious throughout the surgery, and I must say it was a very daunting experience while I was lying on the OT bed and actually able to see everything which was happening. Like I could see what machine was coming close to my eye, what was happening, what laser was shot in, and that being conscious during the entire process just felt really surreal. I remember the doctor was saying to me at all times कि हम एक green light है ऊपर उसी को देखते रहो, और मैं उसी को देख रही थी एंड बीच में गलती से मेरी आई थोड़ी सी ऐसे हिल गई, तो मेरे को बहुत डर लग गया कि आई होप नथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. एंड इवन वाइल दे वर यूजिंग ऑल देयर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऑन माई आई कुड नॉट फील बिकॉज एक नंबिंग ड्रॉप्स थी जो मेरी आंखों में पहले डाली गई थी. आई कुडंट फील एनीथिंग बट आई कुड सेंस दैट समथिंग वाज बीइंग डन टू माय आई. सो दैट वाज द सर्जरी इटसेल्फ. द सेकंड थिंग इज अ लॉट ऑफ यू आर आई एम श्योर क्यूरियस about which hospital did I consult. So I consulted with a clinic called Clio Eye Care in Gurgaon only, and I wanted to keep this at the end of the video because this is not sponsored or anything. I actually opted for the surgery myself. किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोला नहीं कि आप यहाँ से कराओ वहाँ से कराओ. I just took a consultation and I really liked Dr. Aditi who was with me throughout the procedure. And even before my LASIK, I had to get a retinal barrage. So what happens is sometimes due to myopia, the condition that I had for my eyes, the nearsightedness, उसकी वजह से जो आपका रेटिना होता है जिसके ऊपर आपकी फाइनल इमेज बनती है जो भी आप देखते हैं. नाउ इफ यू आर अ साइंस स्टूडेंट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस बेटर. बट दैट रेटिना समटाइम्स गेट्स वीकेंड बिकॉज ऑफ योर मायोपिया, एंड मेरे रेटिना में इनफैक्ट होल्स थे. सो आई हैड टू गेट दैट ऑल्सो फिक्स्ड बिफोर माई लेसिक सर्जरी बिकॉज in the whole LASIK procedure there's a certain process in which there's a suction which is applied to your eye, and अगर मेरे रेटिना वैसे ही वीकेंड है तो उस पर सक्शन नहीं अप्लाई किया जा सकता. सो आई फर्स्ट हैड टू गेट दैट फिक्स एंड देन ओनली प्रोसीड विद लेसिक. सो गेटिंग दैट फिक्स्ड, स्पीकिंग टू अनदर डॉक्टर and first undergoing that procedure and then waiting it out till my eyes are fully healed and then going for LASIK took quite a lot of time for me. The third thing I want to talk about is the cost of surgery. So the cost varies depending on which procedure you're opting for. It can start off from 45,000 and go up to 80,000. The procedure that I opted for costed 75,000 and I would say yes, this surgery is expensive, but मैं कुछ दिन पहले ही बैठ के calculate कर रही थी that I have had glasses since I was 7 years old, and पहले glasses बनाना भी expensive होता है, and then year on year once you start wearing contacts you have to spend on contacts also. I feel like लगभग अगर आप contacts पहनते हैं आपका एक्सपेंस एक साल का 10,000 से 20,000 तो हो ही जाता है. Considering if you have cylindrical, उसके contacts are even more expensive, then you have to buy lens solution, and the whole inconvenience associated with wearing glasses is pretty huge, I would say. मैंने आज ही एक इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट डाला जिसमें मैंने काफ़ी सारा मेंशन भी किया कि व्हाट ऑल हैव आई गॉन थ्रू विद ग्लासेस स्पेशली व्हाइल ट्रैवलिंग. एक बार तो आई वाज इन अ फॉरेन कंट्री एंड आई एक्चुअली इवन गॉट इंजर्ड ऑन माई आईलिड बिकॉज आई वाज वेयरिंग ग्लासेस इनसाइड अ पूल, एंड उससे दैट सेम मॉर्निंग आई लॉस्ट माई कॉन्टैक्ट्स व्हाइल आई वाज डूइंग जेट स्कीइंग. सो वाटर स्पोर्ट्स बिकम अ प्रॉब्लम, remote location travels become a problem, and all of these problems are really getting to me, although they're not as major, but they do affect your lifestyle here and there. Opting for surgery is something that I really wanted to do to not face those inconveniences in my lifestyle in general. So now that I can see everything, yes guys, I can see everything. I consulted a doctor one day after my surgery. I did an eye test and it was beautiful.
Okay, Tanya, so let's see how well you are reading. Okay, so close one eye with your hand and start reading.
Okay.
Start reading from top.
ZD, ZH, D, R, P, N, R, F, N, E, V, D, Z, D, V, R, P, N, E, F, R, D,
Very good.
Z, H, D, Y, R, N, P, F.
Wow, that's like 6x4 types. Okay,
Wow.
much more than 6x6. So we see the other one as well.
Well, I could see everything clearly, and I also got a 6x4 on my reading test. Usually 6x6 is also considered good enough, but I got a 6 on 4, which is even better than 6x6, which means that I can read 2 more lines below the 6x6 mark also. छोटी छोटी चीजें जैसे कि मैं सो के उठी on my first day post surgery and I was reaching out for my chashma. I did not need it. I woke up and I realized कि oh, I don't need my chashma anymore. And even today, like I'm normally wearing these shades, okay? Like I'm constantly wearing these just because I don't want to strain my eyes too much, even though it's been 3 days post my surgery. मैंने भी record करने के लिए चश्मा नहीं पहना क्योंकि I want to, you know, also enjoy my चश्मा free जिंदगी. And the fact that I can wear even goggles without putting on contacts, क्योंकि ये भी होता था पहले कि चश्मा अगर आप या तो आप चश्मा पहन सकते हो या तो आप गॉगल्स पहन सकते हो, और आपको अगर गॉगल्स पहनने हैं तो आपको कॉन्टैक्ट्स पहनने पड़ेंगे. एंड गॉगल्स आर समथिंग यू नीड यूजली व्हेन इट्स वेरी सनी आउटसाइड. जैसे आप किसी ट्रैक पे हो तो आपको ट्रैक पे गॉगल्स पहनने पड़ते हैं, अदरवाइज योर आइज कैन एक्चुअली इवन गेट इंजर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द यूवी रेज. तो ये सब चीज़ों को मद्देनजर में रखते हुए आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट आई फाइनली डिड दिस एंड I can see everything. Where's the button?